Welcome to TAL everybody. Quite a fun video today. If you haven't already seen, I've actually done a review on this BMW M5 Competition. Click up there somewhere to watch that. So today, I was quite interested to see what will happen if we take my tuned CLS63 AMG and put it up against the all-wheel drive M5 Competition. This car is actually tuned also, stage 1, so about 520 kilowatt, around 700 horsepower. So pretty much the same as mine. These Newtons are around 960, mine are probably around 1050, 1100. They both weigh about the same, just under 2 tons. Mine has a 5.5 litre bi-turbo V8 engine. This has a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 engine. So my plan today is to do 4 races. The first 2 are going to be off the line. Obviously, I'm going to get destroyed. So the first one, we'll just see what happens. Rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive. Let's see how much it destroys me. The second one, we're going to put that in rear-wheel drive, everything off, and we're going to verse mine, obviously rear-wheel drive. So that one, let's get more of an idea, but it's just for fun. Then the third race we're going to do is a rolling race. Both cars in comfort mode from around 70 k's an hour. We're going to hit it flat and see what happens. And then the last race, both cars are going to be in Sport Plus. We're going to hit it flat again from around 70 k's an hour and see what happens. Which car do you guys think is going to win? The tuned Stage 1 BMW M5 Competition, no exhausts were done, or my tuned Stage 2 CLS63 AMG? Click up there to vote right now. And without further ado, let's get my butt kicked. Alright, so this is the first race. I'm going to use launch control. M5 F90 Competition is going to use launch control. He's going to be in 4-wheel drive. He's going to destroy me. But let's just see what happens for fun. So on the third hoot, we go. Oh, traction's gone. See you later. Into wheel. Okay, so I put my traction control off everything, so it's fair. This race, the M5 is going to be in 2-wheel drive. This car is going to be in 2-wheel drive. Let's see what happens off the line. All right, on 3 hoots, ready. All right, I think he got a little bit better traction than me, but he's still pulling away. Oh damn, the guy's fast. That guy is very fast. Oh. Alright, so that wasn't the most scientific one, but I think he got a bit better traction off the line than me, and then he also pulled away just from the rear wheel drive. Even though my delays, my reaction time was a little bit slower, he was still pulling away, to be honest. Now we're gonna go rolling race comfort mode. Let's see what happens. Alright, as soon as we hit about 50 k's an hour. Alright. Slow kick down. He's gone. He's gone. That's it. Cheers. Alright, it was close. It definitely was closer because we both had a little bit more traction. But once we got into the gears, that automatic gearbox is just a little bit faster and it just pulls harder at the end of the day. Now we're going to go rolling once again, but in Sport Plus and also automatic mode. Let's see what happens. We think we know what the result's going to be, but hey, might as well go for it. There we go. car is just faster. It's just faster. Okay, I'm gonna back out because stone chips. But as you can see from all of that, newer technology, also tuned, less torque than this car, but about the same power. But at the end of the day, that M5 Competition is a force to be reckoned with. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Oh, and if you want to see me get my butt kicked with versing an E63S that was tuned, let me know down below. Honestly, let's see what happens.